Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about credit repair and why improving your score might not be as hard as you think. These days, good credit is crucial to getting a mortgage for that dream home, getting approved for that new car purchase, or even just getting a credit card. If you've been turned down for any of these, you don't have to just sit back and accept it. There is something you can do, and we are here to help. Our credit repair service has helped hundreds of people greatly improve their credit score and even get negative items completely removed from their credit reports. In fact, we've helped many clients get amazing results in just a few months. If you're ready to take the next step and get your credit and your life back on track, contact us now. You'll be glad you did. Web Diversity Media will customize this video to match your needs.